Why are you yelling at me and you? What you worried
Hey!
about? Hey! Get inside.
That's why you see?
Go inside.
El de Tamachi. Sí. What? Were you? Why you got your baby? But you never called me. We came with food. What you said?
I came to get the food.
No, but why you in your bathing suit still?
Why?
You know?
Oh, I took a bath in the morning and I went to sleep.
Oh.
Como ustedes.
That's the AC unit.
Pero ok. Y esa vez que yo me fui con un rico. Mira.
Say hello to the people. Say hello. You're not gonna say hello, you're just gonna look at me instead.
You gotta say hello.
Say hello.
Oh, es conmigo que está hablando.
Yeah, say hello to
Oh,
the people.
pero fíjate, let me get the fork first. Hi.
In front of we're eating.
Hi.
Okay.
How you doing?
We're gonna get everybody to watch you. We're gonna get you your own channel. And we're gonna find you a boyfriend. I'm gonna have the people on the internet on my channel help to find you a boyfriend. Good.
That sounds good.
Okay. The what?
I can be alone by myself.
No, no good. Mm-mm. We're gonna get her boyfriend. We're gonna recruit the girls.
Yeah. Oh God. Recruit. Don't let her. She's gonna think alcohol is a recruit.
Oh, well, she likes that
Yeah.
too. That's for another day.
She's gonna
Margaritas for tomorrow.
She's gonna think it's a gathering.